before VLAN 20 traffic is not going. So you need to use the keyword add. If you did not use this one, if you directly put this one, all the VLAN whatever is allowed to this trunk, that will be removed and only this one will be present. So if this is a live network, all the communication will be stopped if you put by mistake without using the keyword add. So you need to remember, whenever you are adding any VLAN, you need to put the keyword add here. If you did not add the word, if you did not use this word add, keyword add, after that you did not give the VLAN number, if you give directly VLAN ID, it is going to allow only that VLAN and remove whatever existing VLAN, they will remove that one. So you need to be very careful when your manager asks you to add any VLAN, use this keyword add. If you did not use this, directly you add, all the existing VLAN whatever is present, that all will be removed and only you will have whatever you added, whatever you put, that will be there. All remaining will be removed. All the communication what is going on, it will be done. So make sure you select this add here. So I selected add. After that you can press question mark. You can say they are asking to give the VLAN ID. So which VLAN you want to add, 20, and press question. You have the carriage written, press enter. So now it is added. If you want to check, you can write do show interface trunk, and you can check here. Now we added the VLAN 20, before it is not there, now we add it here. So this one is very important, you need to remember. If you directly put this VLAN, it will remove the old one and it will remove the old one and it will add the new one. If you put add keyword, it will keep the old one and it will put the new one. If you select all, it will select the all. Means in some scenario we don't want to send all. In some scenario we don't want to send all, because for security purpose we don't want to allow all the VLAN also. So you should not use all also. And like you don't want to allow some VLAN and all other VLAN you want to allow, so you can use this keyword except and give the VLAN number. Except that all other VLAN will be allowed. And if you don't want to allow any VLAN, you will write none, so it will not allow anything. Okay, so we can do that one. And if you see here, you are not having the, here if you see when I write here do show interface trunk, you can see here it came allow from 1 to 4094, all the VLANs allow here, and you can see VLAN 1, 10, 20 allow. Here you are not getting 20 because STP is working. After some time, once I check, it is giving me all. We filter, all three are allowing here now. Currently whatever I have, allowing that one. So this one keyword we need to remember. Just press question mark. You will write switch port trunk. Instead of encapsulation.1q, you will write the allowed. So let me write here, in case if you want in the future, just I will put this command here somewhere in our notepad. So later you can revise also. I will write here, if you want to add any VLAN to trunk, then use the following command. And here I will write interface, which interface is trunk, you will go under that one and you will put this command, switch port trunk allowed VLAN add. This is a keyword. If you want to remove, you will write remove. Okay, so add is important, this one is the important. And if you want, I can put the same thing, like let me copy and paste this here, because generally we are adding or we are removing in the real scenario also. So if you want to remove, I can say remove. Okay, here we will write remove. Same thing what we done here before we remove, right? So we can copy and paste where we remove, this one only. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN remove 20. Same thing what I wrote here. If you want to remove, you will write this one. If you want to add, we will use this one. That's all. Mostly we are doing removing sometime, we are adding sometime. Okay, so this way we can say, if you want to add, you can do this way. If you want to remove, you can do this way. Okay, what else we can do here? This is only the important thing. And all the same VLAN is communicating, different VLAN is not communicating. So this is the one of the lab we done in the EVENG. So you will have the idea how to add and remove, because some command may be not work in the packet tracer like add and remove. I am not sure in the new version if they added or not. Let's cross check that one in the packet tracer it is working or not, because still some guys did not install the GNS3 and the other. So maybe if they face issue we can use. So let me take here any switch, or you can take this one. Anyhow, any one we can take, no issue. Let me take like this, and here I can go and I can check here. This is the layer 3 switch. I can go here, I will write no and then enable config T, host name, I can change the name whatever I want to give. Interface, what interface I have, F0/1. I go under this interface and I can write here switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. Okay, I make this interface as a trunk, and I forget to create the VLAN, so I will write VLAN 10. Name I can give any name. VLAN 20 I can give the name as sales, anything I can give. And then after that I will write interface F0/1 and then switch port trunk. Okay, here we will write allowed. Yeah, it is there. This command is working. Allowed VLAN. Remove we need to do here example. So yeah, it is working in packet tracer also. So if you want to use the packet tracer, you can use this packet tracer also for this one. So if I write here remove, you can remove VLAN 20 and press enter, it is removed now. If you check to do show interface trunk, it is still, it is taking some time, so I can do the fast forward and check here. It is not forming the trunk. One side I configure the trunk, automatically other side will become trunk, but anyhow I will configure manually here also the trunk. So let me go and check. I will write interface F0/1 switch port mode trunk. We need to use this command here. And here what I done, here I wrote what I done here, let me see. Yeah, here I need to write one more command. Here I forget to write. First you will go under that interface and you will write switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. After that you need to write switch port mode trunk. I forget here, but if you see here, we done here. If you see this command we need to type. Okay, so here I forget to write that one, that's why it is giving some issue. What I can do here, I can write interface F0/1 and I can write here, or I can paste here this command. Before we done the other one, this one we done just now, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, this one we done. After that we need to write switch port mode trunk. Okay, now I done everything. We can check show interface trunk and check here. We remove 20. Just now we remove, right? If you remember, somewhere here we remove, where we